Right, we'll do a little walk around the Penshaw Monument. Let's see how this goes. Looks like quite a climb. Got cows here, obviously, grazing. The steps are both an improvement and annoying, because walking up steps always feels like it takes more energy. Right, I'm only halfway up and I'm knackered. Oh, there's a lake over there. Perhaps I'll go over there next. Interesting, yeah. Park over there as well. We've got cows grazing in the field. Look at them. Nice red one, orange, whatever. White, black, white face, orange, black and white. Oh, it's cold today. The town over there. Well, we're getting much closer now. Still going up steps, but it's closer than before. We are now at the top. Oh, look at this magnificent Greek style pillars, much like a miniature Parthenon. We have a plaque here commemorating the monument. The stone was laid by Thomas, Earl of Zetland, Grand Master of the Free and Accepted Masons of England, assisted by the Brethren of the provinces of Durham and Northumberland on the 28th of August 1844, being the foundation stone of the memorial to be erected to the memory of George Earl of Durham, who, representing the county of Durham in Parliament for 15 years, was raised to the peerage and subsequently held the offices of Lord Privy Seal, Ambassador Extraordinary and Minister at the Court of St. Petersburg and Governor General of Canada. He died on the 28th of July 1840 in the 49th year of his age. This monument will be erected by the private subscriptions of his fellow countrymen, admirers of his distinguished talents and exemplary private virtues, donated to the National Trust by the 1st December 1939. Well, I'm at the front of it now. I can't get it all in camera, it's too big, and I can't go backwards because there's a drop. I'm going to go back a little bit. We could do, could walk back and see. Still can't get it all in view. Yeah, I'll have a look inside. In the chambers, like the Parthenon at Greece, only smaller. Looks like we're coming up to an entrance here. You could have gone up and look at the top pillars. I don't think you can go up there because it's all gated off. Yep, for a key lock. That's quite sturdy as well. You can see all around you. Right, just. Past the pillars, which are quite thick. A good 6 feet in what diameter? The new Sunderland Bridge is over there. I can't hold it very steady. And then over here we have the Vantec and the Nissan factory producing the cars. Some turbines, Asda, something else. Massive car park over there. Yeah, look at all these buildings. Taking a route down here now. Looks adventurous, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Fragments in rock, lots of holes. A massive little deep hole here. You can see all the layers of the rock. Trees growing on the slope. The trees deep down there. Alright, we're going along some woods coming down from the Penshaw. All these pats, cow pats. Wandering a route into town which way. So you can see how far away it is. God, it looks miles away. I know. Everything looks miles away on camera.
You look there, that's just there.
Coming towards the end of the walk, aren't we?
Yep.
Bit of a park there. I didn't film it because, well, I don't know what to look at.
That's going to be WE.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Carving the rocks. Must be WE. And this is the end of the walk. We're finished, back round to the start and the bottom again.
Yeah.
See you next time.